Porch views. What are you drinking, Sophia?
Ice green tea latte.
Ta-da! Oh, yeah. There are lots of cute shops down the street.
Oh, they want to go do yoga.
Where? At Play? Fitness and yoga? Play.
Okay, put it.
Alright. We are almost to the bike shop now. Nope, one more block.
Okay.
Tell me about your bike.
It's a
Electra. Ooh. Yes.
Looks like something you would have done in like the 80s. Like,
Probably.
really cool.
But this really is the best place to rent your bikes in New Jersey. If you're ever down here, you know.
Is this like, I felt like if you wanted to do like fives, like a lot of fives from your phone number, it had to be like acting, like it had to be on a show.
No, when they do 555 in Hollywood, that's a fake phone number.
Oh.
555 is a fake number.
Oh.
It's our most favorite thing to do in the world. Riding bikes down the boardwalk. Yay, going to Brown's for donuts. All the way down here near First Street, but it is the best place to get donuts in Ocean City, New Jersey. Oh, here's our family. Hello, family. We made it.
If I were single, I would go to Starbucks.
Why Starbucks? No way. These donuts was good. Hey, what are we looking for?
Oh, bad kitty.
Bad kitty.
No, we're not looking for like an actual bad kitty. What?
Like the Henry Danger bad kitty?
No.
No. It's Sugar.
Oh, you know, and none of the doors are really that open yet, but
Look at all the dragonflies. They're everywhere. Let's see. Can we see your... Show us your things. Wow. Very nice. Did you pick that one out by yourself?
yes.
Awesome. Good choice.
Look what I found.
Oh. Oh. My Little Pony breasts.
Look, pony breath.
Yeah, ponies everywhere. Ponies.
I got it squishy.
And it smells. What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells like I don't remember, like a Jolly Rancher or something.
Oh, that's a good smell. I'm just getting all these dragonflies here. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
I love it.
There's like a whole nest of them.
Yeah.
Let's go use the GoPro, bro.
Open your eyes. You want to go in the water?
Yeah, but we can't go over here.
Why can't you go there?
Because there's the orange flag, and that means we can't go in the water.
Oh, you can't swim between the orange flags, right?
But now over here, they
Yeah.
used to let us go out on the sandbar, but now we don't.
Yeah, maybe a little bit later.
Yeah. And then we can go on the sandbar. But I don't really like the sandbar because it has big waves.
Yeah. So here you can swim between the green flags where the lifeguard is sitting, right?
Yeah. Because
Awesome.
over there is where they're not sitting. And then over there, there's a rock, and people can hit the rock and get
Oh,
hurt.
right.
That girl's way too far.
Yeah. You got in trouble, huh?
Because you're not supposed to go that far.
Yeah. Whoa! Ouch! 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 There we go. That's better. All right. You're right in it, huh? Woo. Fur. Cold. Fur cold.
I know. Why are beaches so...
Let's stick the camera underwater to see what it looks like really underwater, right? With this thing. Let's see what we're stepping on.
Oh, geez, here goes
Oh boy, alright. Ride it out. Whoa. Go out a little farther. Look at the beach in the background. I hope here I feel the water pouring out. That was a fun thing. There you go, ride that one.
Oh, that was
Here comes it. Yeah.
Just saying, the water's really, really cold.
It is really cold.
Here goes the big one.
We're waiting for the big kahuna, huh?
And then you fall.
How clear the water is. It's nice. See all the way to the bottom. I know, it is cold. A little chilly. A little cold, a little chilly. I want to see you swim through a wave. There's one. There you go, Parker. That's a good one. Right through it. Woo! Go for that one. Holy crap. Nice.